This is a small antique French mantel clock with Champleve Enamel decoration on a gilt bronze case. Made about 1890 in Paris. It has a silver dial with Roman numerals set in a silvered frame. Champleve enamel columns to the side with Corinthian tops and a Champleve top and bottom, and it sits on little feet. The Champleve enamel is over the top of the clock, the top, and down both sides. It's in nice original condition. It has a plain back with a gilded finish and the door where you gain access to the movement. The movement is a two-train carriage clock movement made in Paris. The maker's mark there, EM & Co, and it also says French make. It strikes the hour and the half hour on this gong, and it has a lever platform escapement which is adjustable by that lever there for fast and slow. You have a key which is double-ended. One winds the clock, and both those arbors there, one for the strike and one for the time, and the other one for changing the hands. The clock strikes 1 at the half hour, and 1 for each hour. This clock is for sale. It's on our website, ianburton.com. We have serviced the clock. It's guaranteed. It's in good working condition. And also on our website you'll find other clocks of similar quality. They're all for sale. They're all available for shipping worldwide, and we deliver throughout the UK.